Good morning, everyone. So today we are in Terricciola, seeing this restored townhouse, very wonderful and huge. It is about 300 square meter, and we start from here, the garage or deposit. They have this big room, vaulted, where they used to keep their car, because there's the entrance and the car can be parked here. So they have laundry there. Okay, so entire house is on 2 floors. The first floor is the living area, and we have sort of living room here. All systems are connected. The owners live here actually. And the second living or formal dining room here. All ceilings are really Tuscan style. Okay. Cotto floor, cotto in the ceiling. And that's the living. So, and from the other side of the stairs, we find another room, currently used to heat. There's a nice fireplace here. And another laundry here. And the first floor bathroom here with a small bath. Okay. From here and from the stairs we reach the kitchen. This one. Really nice. They painted white the ceilings here. Very nice. It gives a lot of light atmosphere to the kitchen. And this is the view, the amazing view from the kitchen. Nice, really nice postcard. Okay. Okay. Still on this floor we have terrace, the panoramic terrace with oven. So the oven is here. And this is the view from the terrace. Okay. Let's go back inside, then let's go to see the second floor. Everything you see here is original. So when they restored the entire house, they used all the original materials, and they they choose a very Tuscan style. So in this is the night area, let's say. Another big living room here with very high ceilings, with beams. Master bedroom here. With a hidden closet behind the bedroom here. Okay. This floor, of course, doesn't have frescoes on the ceilings, but beams. So down here, there's another big bedroom. And the second bathroom. With bath and shower. It's a very bright townhouse with lots of windows in every room and facing every side of the building. And this is the fourth bedroom, now used as a studio. Okay, so the house is here and we are going to see the garden. We are going to follow my colleague here. So down here we have a small cellar. This is a shared path. Other people live here, so this path is in common with them. We can go down by here, reaching the private garden. Very nice. Okay. This is still a common path, so the property has the right to pass down here. And okay, so the garden is about 300 square meters, the same size of the house, and this is a strip, let's say, of garden with views there. And it goes up there, where there's a nice cellar. So I show you, we actually are down the terrace of the first floor, from where you can build a stair to go down here. And this is the cellar. Okay, as you can see, they have some wines here. Very fresh cellar here, wonderful, very traditional.